Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Start by observing your stance and walking pattern to find causes. Stand with feet hip-width and check knee alignment against the midline. Look for flat feet, inward tibial rotation, or increased femoral internal rotation as common causes. Notice muscle weakness in the glutes, hip abductors, or external rotators that allows knees to collapse. Check footwear and arch support for pronation that pulls knees inward. If you have pain or swelling, stop exercises and consult a clinician promptly for directed care. Begin with glute bridges to activate the posterior chain and improve hip control. Perform glute bridges for 3 sets of 12, focusing on knees tracking over feet. Add clamshells with a resistance band for hip external rotation, doing 3 sets of 15 per side. Progress to single leg squats for balance and quadriceps control, performing 3 sets of 8 on each leg. Include 30-second side planks to challenge the oblique and lateral stabilizers for better knee alignment. Evaluate shoes and consider supportive footwear or orthotics to correct overpronation. Use inserts to restore arch height and reduce inward knee stress when needed. Retrain gait by practicing slow walking focused on knees tracking over the second toe. Increase exercise load gradually, adding 10% per week to avoid irritation. If pain persists or function does not improve after 6 weeks, seek physical therapy for manual treatment and personalized progression. Consider medical evaluation for structural causes if symptoms worsen or persist.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.